this. He's at the 20 and powers forward inside the 10-yard line. Going to swing it out to Rector. He makes a tackle and goes down right there. Sterling Young, Michael Nicewander in on the play. Receivers this time to the bottom of your screen. They're going to give it straight ahead to Rector and nothing doing that time. Nice job by the Buck defensive line. This time they're going to swing it out. That's Bill Mitchell. He's got the first down. He's got some more. He's to the 35-yard line where he's slung out of bounds by Aaron Adams. Swing out to Sims. He lowered his shoulder. Nice job right there. Daniel Marstein to kick it away. He's done a fine job here tonight. Pressure by the Buccaneers, and they got it. Justin Dunn was in there to block the punt. It is scooped up and taken into the end zone. That is defenders up into the box. They expecting the run as well. Carson makes a little move, gets to the outside. Big gain there. There's a reverse to Halzil. And Hoover has recovered the football. That's Michael Nicewander. He's running with the ball. And he goes down about the 40-yard line.